Hello, Great Question Scholars. I'm doing a quick review video on how to post to the discussion board. There wasn't a lot of activity this week. I know you have a lot going on in your lives. It was the first week back, but it is part of your participation grade in this class. I know many of you can't make the virtual classes, so I made a way for everybody to get participation credit, even if they can't consistently make the virtual class. So it is required for everyone. Again, all you need to do is go to the discussion board. As you can see, I've posted a new topic, Week 11, Part 1, Welcome to Euclid. This is due Wednesday at noon before the virtual class because we're going to get started on the propositions for the second half of the week in the discussion. The instructions are the same as for the creation. Pick one of the questions, answer it by creating a new thread, reply to your classmates' submissions, minimum of 3 posts. That's over the whole week. And post as much as you can, go off topic, use life experience. So the topic for the first part of the week is a little bit different. I'm asking you to review the definitions, postulates, and common notions that Euclid outlines in the book, and then to think about them. His language can be hard to follow. It can be a little intimidating. I want you to first skim through it, see how much you kind of grasp. Then before you post anything, I want you to work through each of the definitions, illustrate them on paper. You can attach your notes to the post. I gave you sort of an example. Number 1 is what? Number 2 is what am I drawing there? I want you to look at the definitions. I want you to think about them and illustrate them for yourself. Really work them out and consider what it means to think about these in light of kind of what you already know about these items. I really want you to focus on definition 15. What's it saying about circles? Think about pizza. This is going to help it really ring true to you. I want you guys to really have a good basis of understanding of things when we start on proposition 1 later in the week. So follow the same procedure for the postulates. Draw out each one. Consider why he felt he needed to state these specifically. Consider postulate 3. What does it give us permission to do? I want you to do all of these things, answer my questions that I've peppered throughout the post, and then at the end, I want you to consider whether these concepts seem more familiar to you now that you've drawn them out and thought about them, and you can discuss why or why not. There's really not a wrong answer. So really for the first part of the week, what I really want you to do is get in there. You only have to post once. I want you to sort of think about the questions I'm asking you, to illustrate the definitions, common notions and postulates out on paper, and then to share your concept with me about how you feel about these things. Did it seem really confusing at first and now it's not? Is it just as confusing? Is it more confusing now that you've drawn them out? Does it make you question even more things about them? Again, there is not a wrong answer for how you think about this. Much like different translators translated different versions of the Odyssey, we talked a lot about translations with the Bible last week. This is you translating Euclid's logic, and you're going to do it in your own way. So everyone's going to read it a little bit different, and that's okay. So I just wanted to show you real quick. You click the title to access the form. There are no items yet. Again, I just posted it. Click Create Thread. Give your subject a name. It can be Carrie's Post. Carrie's Post on Euclid. And then write your post. You can attach whatever you want. Browse your computer, just attach anything you want. And then submit. I'm not going to cancel mine. You can also save a draft if you want to go back to it and do it again. I'm going to click cancel. Once you've posted it, you'll be able to see it up here. Again, I just posted this, so there aren't any posted, but I really look forward to reading them. And then we will jump right into reviewing the definitions, postulates, and common notions on our meeting on Wednesday. And then we will also jump right into Proposition 1. I will be working on illustrating Proposition 1 for you, and then I want you guys to be able to try those other propositions out for yourself. I will see you very, very soon, and please have a great week. Thanks.